And now to the coronavirus and a frightening number of cases that have been reported. The White House task force says, quote, Florida is in full COVID-19 resurgence, raising fears hospitals could be overwhelmed again.
And it comes as more people are getting vaccinated across South Florida, but our area could soon see fewer doses. We have live team coverage now on the crisis, starting with our Alex Finney in Fort Lauderdale. Alex.
Well, Calvin and Nicole, our state now in the red as we deal with those COVID cases. Right now, here's where we stand. About 7,700 hospitalizations in Broward, about 9,800 in Miami-Dade. And I spoke with some medical experts today at some area hospitals in our viewing area, and they said that right now we are far from being out of the woods when it comes to seeing the numbers as a result of the New Year's and Christmas holiday.
The numbers in Miami-Dade County are out of proportion.
With Miami-Dade and Broward as hotbeds for COVID-19, local leaders meeting today to nail down a plan.
People are dying every day.
A grim message coming straight from the White House Coronavirus Task Force. Florida is in full COVID-19 resurgence, which will drive significant fatalities for many weeks and stress the staffing of the hospital system. ICU bed capacity stands at 16% in Miami-Dade and just shy of that in Broward. Broward Health seeing 124 patients across their system with a resurgence plan ready and on standby.
About 10 to 14 days after a major event like a holiday, that's when we start to see the influx of patients that are going to come to the hospital.
We now have capacity again in the COVID units.
Jackson Health says the 3 areas they had open now back down to 2. 2 reasons for their bed capacity. 1, some Thanksgiving COVID patients have started to recover, and perhaps the more sickening reality.
The second reason we're starting to see rooms open up is that those patients are now starting to die, unfortunately. So we are seeing the deaths from the Thanksgiving surge.
And as Jackson Health was telling me a little bit earlier, now they are preparing for those rising cases yet again. As a matter of fact, the state's seeing more than 10,000 COVID-related hospitalizations just in the first week of the new year. That's up 14% from the week before, to give you some perspective as to where we stand right now as we continue dealing with this pandemic. For now, coming to you live right outside of Broward Health, Alex Finney, Local 10 News.
Okay, Alex, thanks a lot.